Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Betterment Cash Reserve and link funding sources step by step clearly. To log into Betterment Cash Reserve, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Betterment and hit enter. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Betterment account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a code on your registered device. Input the code where prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Find and click on the Cash Reserve option. You will see an overview of your Cash Reserve account. To link funding sources, locate the Link Funding Sources option on this page. Click on Link Funding Sources to proceed. You will be presented with options for linking accounts. Select your preferred funding source, such as a bank account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your bank information. You may need to verify your bank account through microdeposits. Once verification is complete, your funding source will be linked to your Betterment Cash Reserve. Check for confirmation on the screen for successful linking. Your cash reserve and funding sources are now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.